to have a great time in the kitchen, cooking and creating things, but doing it with a Vitamix powerhouse in your hand that you now take to the location, as opposed to putting the ingredients in something and taking the ingredients to the Vitamix. So here is what is called an immersion blender. You're getting the immersion blender, 5 speeds, 4 blades. I'm going to share with you colors. I love that you were Vanna Whiting, Ricky. This is Chef Ricky Roman.
Hello.
It's Richard Roman, but we like to call him Ricky Roman because he's with me in Alberti every Wednesday. But here's the story. What you're getting is you're getting the immersion blender. You're also getting the whisk here at QVC. You're getting a mini chopper here at QVC. And you're also getting a blending jar. So, by the way, in addition to the immersion blender, which on its own is our price, is $169.95. Do you see where our price? $169.98, so 3 cents more. For 3 cents more, we're actually gonna throw in 3 additional pieces. That whisk, that mini chopper, which makes it a food processor, and this is what I use every single day. The color I have in my house is black. I'm obsessed with it. I use it every morning and make my happy Viking.
Awesome.
There's the black, there's also white, and there's also red. Sharing with you that you can see on your screen, if purchased separately, almost $260. We're under $170, which means you're saving $89 right now, and it's an easy pay of $34. Things for you to know. We've had this as a Today Special Value. I believe it sold out.
It did sell out.
And the fact that it's even here is crazy, like Bananarama, because you're getting Vitamix Powerhouse Power, 100 years, family owned in Ohio, in the palm of your hand now.
It is. It's like taking Vitamix. Took a while to develop this because there's a lot of immersion blenders out there. One of the big differences you'll notice, I'll start off, 4 blades. You know our blades in our full-size blenders? Well, we really wanted to make sure we had the right blades, so instead of 2 blades, 4 blades. Then, this nylon protective cover, so when you go into your pots and pans, you're not gonna scratch the pans. Then here, if you back up a little, you're gonna notice, we actually made ours a little bit longer. You know, I owned a restaurant, we had these really big, long commercial ones. Well, that keeps your hands a little bit away from the heat when you're going into pots and pans. And then, twist and removable. So this can go into the dishwasher, so you have easy cleanup, but this also now transitions to your processor bowl and to your whisk. So what does that mean? That means you can make your morning smoothies, not just your soups. You can chop onions like they showed you before. You can make margaritas. You could take this into a pitcher and make margaritas. Then when you're prepping in the kitchen, you maybe want to chop some nuts for your tarts. If you want to make pancake mix, that's that wire whisk attachment.
Yeah.
So it's just like our full-size blenders. We want things to be super versatile, but this also gives you the compact space. You can keep this in a drawer.
That's where I keep mine.
Okay, and you have access to it because it's not a large unit. And then you can pull it out any day. You don't have to worry about it. Now, let's start off.
Can I just back up for a second?
Sure.
I need to know, what is an immersion blender? Because I didn't even know what an immersion blender was initially.
It means that you can actually immerse it into the ingredients. So first of all, one-handed operation, easy to use controls. There's that 4-prong blades we talked about. That's going to really allow you to process through tough ingredients, and that bell guard protects all your pots and pans. And the beauty of this is because you can use one hand, you can go right into a mason jar, into a container, into a soup pot. 5 speeds. I tell you, a lot of immersion blenders have 2 speeds. The 5 speeds give you more versatility for when you're mixing.
What you can do.
Exactly.
What you can create.
Because you only need one hand, that means you have one hand free to add ingredients. And we have 620.
To hold a bowl.
Exactly.
One hand to hold a bowl. Yeah, exactly. You have 620.
625 watts. I tell people, compare this to other immersion blenders. Most of them are 200 to 300. This is 625 watts. So why is that important?
Let's go.
How about the smoothie? The blending jar we give you, right? So you put in your ingredients. You're going to turn the machine on with one hand. And then what I do is I just slowly increase the speed and drop it in. And watch what happens now. As I drop this into the ingredients, it's going to start to pulverize, chop, and liquefy. And that's when the power of the motor takes over. So all I have to do now is put it at the bottom of the jar. There's little indents here. That was by design. We also tapered the top so that the ingredients would stay inside. And now, if you want to make your morning smoothie, and you want to just do it for one, this also comes with a lid, so you can take this on the go. You've got a smoothie maker in a handheld Vitamix immersion blender, just that quickly. Now, this could go right in the dishwasher.
I actually just rinse that off.
Or rinse this off in the sink.
I just rinse it off and leave it on the side, because I use it every morning.
Now, the proof, and we always say, is in the pour, right? So let's take a look at this. Let's see if this is a smooth smoothie.
Yeah.
And I think people are amazed when they use this immersion blender. I think that's the reason it sold out when we talked about it back in October, is because they can't believe the power of this machine and how it can really do things ordinary immersion blenders just don't do.
It's a Vitamix immersion blender because Vitamix knows how to make something that is so smooth and so like creamy, and none of the seeds or pith or any of that stuff, that's all gone. Can I ask you about this container? Because I think it's a 4-cup. Am I reading that right?
Yeah, so 4-cup smoothie jar.
Okay, got it. Yep.
And this is also a 4-cup blending, excuse me,
okay,
chopping.
chopping. Yep.
So what this does is it gives you the ability to have a processor without having to pull out
food processor.
a really large appliance. So
Yep.
here I have my onions. We have 5 speeds. Why is that important? Because with onions, I don't want that super high speed because I want to be able to chop them without liquefying. And then I'm using one hand to control power and one to control speed. And just that quickly, we have chopped our onions perfectly. Think
Again,
about if
no
you have
stinky
garlic,
fingers.
onions, you name it. And here's the best part. The bottom piece as an anti-slip skid pad, but then when you take this off, Vitamix said, hey, we want to make this multifunctional. Let's say you're prepping. This is now a cover, and you can store and prep in this container.
Super easy. And so if you want your onions, again, we always say for guacamole, but I like to put it on top of my chili or on top of a chili dog or on top of your tacos or however you're going to use your onions in my spaghetti sauce. But again, in all these tools, the beverage container, the mini chopper, as well as the whisk, all those 3 pieces, you're getting extra here at QVC because the immersion blender alone is 3 cents less than our price. It's $169.95. So this alone is $169.95. Oh, and then we give you the whisk. Oh, and then we give you the mini food processor. Oh, and then we give you the blending jar. So that's what you're gonna do with your smoothie every day. This is why you shop at QVC. And again, dare I say, why it's sold out. And it's sold out early on the day.
It did sell out early.
Like it wasn't near midnight. Like the immersion blender was like gone. It's $34 and free shipping and handling. I say anything Vitamix, whether it happens to be the Explorian or it happens to be this, weddings that are coming up. If somebody's downsizing, and maybe you're going to take your Vitamix and you're going to actually pass that along to somebody because you're like, this is all I need.
That's it. And you know what? This, to me, is a game changer. This whisk, so it's what I call a mono whisk. It's only one whisk. But notice here on the top, you see the speeds here? I'm going to keep that. I have 5 speeds. I was using the low speed because I don't want to spread this all over the place. A lot of immersion blenders only have 2 speeds, so we give you more versatility.
And more power, you said.
More power.
More speeds, right? So more range of what you can do, and then more power, again, more range of what you can do. Because if I have an immersion blender that doesn't have that much power, what does that mean? Like, what would that translate to?
So that means you're not going to be able to go through really tough ingredients. Like, I'm going to show you right now how you can make peanut butter. You wouldn't be able to do that with an ordinary immersion blender, and because we have the power, but also the slower speed allows me to mix. Now, this is a dip.
I love
it's a dill onion dip.
Yep.
So not having to pull out, again, a different appliance. This sits in my drawer. I pull this out. I have one whisk, but it has the power to make whipped cream, meringues, or slowly mix a dip like this. Now, the beauty of this is the motor goes from attachment to attachment, right? What do you think of that? Is that good? I mean, everybody's going to be having some dip tomorrow, so I figure we got to make some dip. So,
it's delicious. You control the ingredients. If you want onions, you get to put onions in it. If you want garlic, put garlic in it. If you want something else, a different seasoning, you do that. You control the ingredients, but the results are restaurant quality. That's the whole point, right?
Yeah, that is. And this is the other, to me, the convenience. So we used, let's just say you used your immersion wand to make your smoothie. And then it's like, well, now I want to make nut butter or chop onions. All I do is twist this off. This can go into the dishwasher or rinse in the sink. And then the motor transitions, come with me here, into the processor bowl, right? So now I'm going to bring this right up here so you can see it. This is just peanuts, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to go all the way to high speed. So not only 625 watts, Rachel, but it can run continuously for 3.5 minutes. A lot of appliances, if you run them at high speed too long, the motors will burn out. This was designed to be able to run at that high speed. So in here, it's taking whole peanuts. It's about 20 seconds in, and now you're going to start to see it becoming nut butter. So in about 1 minute, it's going to take 2 cups of peanuts. See how it's getting creamy at the bottom? And turn that into peanut butter. And like I said, this little pad on the bottom will prevent it from slipping, but then you can use that as a cover to store it in the refrigerator. So again, prep and store, but one appliance going from your smoothies to your
dips,
soups,
to chopping.
Your dips.
Yeah.
Now we have homemade.
I'm so excited.
Homemade peanut butter
Is my
that we just
spoon in
made.
there somewhere?
Oh, yeah.
There
Here.
must be a spoon somewhere.
Oh, we got to get the spoon.
We gotta get a spoon.
Yeah. We got to get a spoon for you. We'll have to get a spoon.
There's a cracker.
Oh, yeah, you could dip it with a cracker.
There we go. And again, when you make a nut butter, like a peanut nut butter or almond, or you're doing pecans or walnuts, whatever, it's warm.
Oh.
When it's blended and ground down to this beautiful creamy texture, it becomes warm, which is like the dreamiest part.
Look at that. So we have homemade peanut butter.
I mean, we love this. And again, maybe you're somebody who wants to make or wants to eat cleaner food.
Yeah.
You want to control the ingredients. Why do we want to control the ingredients?
Because you know there's no additives, no preservatives, artificial colors. If you just take whole foods and turn them into these delicious recipes, you're not ingesting things you don't want to. Like I always say, nature got it right in the first place. Just let Vitamix help transform them into great recipes.
Come on over here with me because this sold out. I mean, I remember when it was today's special value and it sold out, and I was like, oh my gosh! And I have one. I'm so delighted that I have one. But here's the thing. The Immersion blender alone is our price. Before we even get into all the other stuff, it is 3 cents less. $169.95 is the value of these two pieces, the Immersion blender. Now come on over here. We're going to give you 3 additional pieces. We're giving you that blending jar, 4 cups with the lid, so take that smoothie with you. We're giving you the mini chopper, which again is like a food processor that you're getting that's included. So this, by the way, is about a $50 value. And then you're also getting that whisk. So for that whipped cream moment, of course, you're making that pie, you've got the holidays. These 3 pieces coming with for about the price of the Immersion blender any other store except here. We're gonna ship it to you for free. You get it home, you get to try it for $34. The black, the white, or the red, 5 speeds, 4 blades. How many, did you say 625 watt motor?
625 watts.
It's a 6-in-1. So tell us what the 6-in-1 is, if you wouldn't mind.
So first of all, it's an Immersion blender. In fact, I think we have a little graphic.
Yeah.
It's an Immersion blender. It's a chopper, right?
Oh, got it.
Okay. It's also a, wait, do we have that graphic? There it is, there it is.
There we go.
Okay,
Thanks,
a food
Ray.
processor, a hand mixer, a chopper, a smoothie maker, which you saw us do, a frozen drink maker, so you can make those margaritas, and of course the Immersion blender, which, you know, again, a lot of people think of an Immersion blender. They think, oh, it's the only thing, I only go in the pots and that's it. But we're showing you how with Vitamix, we designed it to do all these things. Now, again, important to look at the design here. This 4-blade design, to me, is a separator. That those 2 extra blades that we're giving you allow it to process to really tough foods. And then that protective bell guard. Oh, there you go. See the 4 blades?
Yeah.
But then this protective bell guard means I can go into any pots or pans. So let's just say you had maybe a fancy Le Creuset. You're not going to hurt the bottom.
Yep.
So in here, and we're just going to pause this here. I have our hot soup. This is one of my favorite things about Immersion blenders. Instead of using a lot of pots and pans, do everything in one pot. Cook your soup and then put the Immersion blender, make sure it's submerged. Always start on a lower speed. So I start at speed 2, and what I'm doing is I'm just moving it around the pot, and what's happening is it's breaking down slowly some of those bigger pieces.
The bigger chunks.
And as it starts to break down, just like this, again, always keep it below the surface.
Right.
Now what I'm going to do, watch this. I'm going to turn this all the way up to high, and I'm going to put the Immersion blender in the middle.
Wow.
Look at what happens in that pot. That is a big batch of soup, and then I'm going to add in my cream. This is a butternut squash soup, okay? And the powerful 625 watts, this is where it really comes into play, is acting like a blender. It's pulling the ingredients. Look at the action in that pan. I challenge you to take an ordinary Immersion blender. You're not going to see this kind of action. And just that quickly, we now have a silky smooth, creamy soup when it was all solids. And then this goes right in the dishwasher, or you can rinse it out right in the sink.
Now, let me ask you a question. If I had little meats in there or I had shredded chicken, would it still work on that sort of stuff? If I, like, you know, okay.
I mean,
look, some shredded pork in there,
I just want you to see something here. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is smooth.
Yeah.
I mean, smooth as can be here.
Yeah. And it doesn't even matter, even if you missed one little chunk in there, you just put the Immersion blender back in there.
Look at that.
And then again, and this is, by the way, you're Chef Ricky Roman. I'm like, where are you putting that? I have a spoon somewhere.
Oh, here's one here.
Here's one. The good Lord. Thank you, because has anybody noticed that I'm hungry? Apparently, I'm starving. I have 2 additional hours.
This is dinner time.
Exactly. I was so excited. I was like, I have a Vitamix hour. This is divine. This is delightful. I'm going to have all my favorite food.
And this has a little bit of apples, a little bit of onions, so it got a little sweetness from the apples.
Oh my heavens, you do.
So,
But it's so lovely, the butternut squash. And think about it. You know what I also love? Creamy asparagus soup.
oh, that's another good one.
Ooh, it's a really good one.
You can even do like a split pea in here. You know what you also can do is your marinara sauces. So you steep the tomatoes with the garlic and the basil, and then you drop it in and you make that delicious marinara sauce right in the pot.
No way.
Yeah,
And
right in the
again,
pot.
take your mama's recipes, your nana's recipes.